uh, Get my motherfucking thoughts together. Get my motherfucking thoughts together. Get my motherfucking thoughts together. Ever. Yeah, flow ripper lays to the D, 4-5, 4 gripper, pole nigga till my feet kick up. Pot seller, top fella till the streets lift ya. Mozzarella, I'll tell you if it's cheese with ya. I was waist tight, laid pipe, digging the slut. Trying to figure how much makeup I could fit in the truck. Trying to cake up till we laid up and we living it up. I keep it faded till we weigh it and we hit just enough. When I was 14, boat steam, flow was just hot. Young nigga kept it funky with the pen and the rock. My friends in the flock, angry like a pigeon just dropped. All I see is green, tell me what's gonna get us to stop. These venomous cops can't infiltrate our infamous blocks. The Kimbe and Josh, hawking any bitch out on block. I'm picking your lot, it's different how I get you to pop. The most significance is Jigga and Pop. Lays D, nigga.